How to fix Gemini something went wrong. Error problem using Samsung Galaxy or any Android phone. Or something went wrong, please try again. Blah 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 on any Android device. So let's get started. Method number 1. Open settings. Scroll down and find out apps. Tap on it. Search for Gemini. Open it. Select mobile data. Turn on these options. Move back and tap on storage. Tap clear cache, then tap clear data. Tap on delete. Once it is completed, move back from here and search for Google. Open it. Tap on storage. Tap clear cache. Tap clear data. Tap on delete. After completing the process, you need to restart your phone. After the restart, I hope your problem will be fixed. If your problem still remains, then try the next method. Method number 2. Open your Play Store. Search for Gemini. Tap on it. If you found any available update for your Gemini application, then update it. In my case, there is no update available. After that, search for Google. Tap on it. If you found any available update for your Google app, then update it from here. As you can see here, an update available for my Google app. So I am going to update it. After completing that, open your Gemini app and log into your account. This time, I hope your problem will be no longer available. If the problem still continues, change your Google account. Follow the on-screen steps and check if it's fixed. If not, move to the next step. Make sure your internet connection is stable. If you are on a VPN, turn it off. Disconnect any Bluetooth devices that might be connected. Hopefully this fixes the issue. That's it. Thanks for watching.